I'm Amy Hluchyj and I just sold this house at 189 Hillcrest Avenue in the Kirkendall South neighborhood. This is how we did it. Believe it or not, this home was jam-packed with goodies. So the first step was to have an estate auction to have everything cleared out. And from what I heard, it was extremely successful. With a blank slate, I hired professional painters to paint the whole house from top to bottom. That included wallpaper removal and patching. Talk about dusty, but don't worry. With my feather duster, we had the whole house cleaned and dust-free. Next up, it was time for staging. You saw the front 2 rooms, now check out the bedrooms. And we replaced 10 light fixtures to give a more modern look. Before we could show off the home, we had to get the marketing materials done. Not only did we sell the house, but the location too, through photos, video, feature sheet, as well as posting it on both the local and Toronto real estate boards. Now, if you'd like to see the original listing video, click on the link in the description. So that gives you an overview of what we did. There was other smaller things like swapping out light bulbs and outlet covers, but I'm trying to focus on the big details. If you've been thinking of selling and are looking for next level service, contact me today. I'm Amy Hluchyj and I look forward to chatting with you soon.